I've mentioned before, having someone who has served both at the legislative capacity.
Analyzing interstate drug control mechanisms. Collaboration must be institutionalized through political and technical bodies, such as the Niger Delta Governors Forum. The forum should formally adopt drug abuse prevention, control, and treatment as a core regional security priority, committing to pooled resources and harmonized state policies. This provides necessary political will and state ownership. Drug abuse is a global pandemic. It is a public health threat. And so we should see it as serious as that. You know, the business of drug or the issue of drug is about demand and supply. Like we're saying, if the supply chain is cut off, then there will be no demand for it.
That in the families there are heads, and the heads of the families need to also sit up to train our children, to monitor them and ensure that intake of drugs are prevented. And when it happens, that they are also monitored, treated, and ensured that they recover. Parents, please, let us do our best while the different agencies are doing their own. The home, the family is also very important.
Coming out of some of our engagements and initiatives, we've identified drug abuse as a key issue that needs to be tackled. This project is around preventing criminality and violence in the Niger Delta. And one important thing is that most crimes have element of drug abuse in them. So if we want to prevent criminality and violence, we have to also put in deliberate effort to curb drug abuse, and then not just the intake, but also the peddling. That is why we're bringing various stakeholders here, from government representatives, health, CSOs, as well as security agencies, so that together we can discuss together and find solutions that would promote a safer Niger Delta where drug abuse is not rampant.
To combat the scourge of substance abuse, violence, and criminality, a community-centered collaborative approach is essential. This entails intentional community engagement, inclusive security methods, partnership and networking, capacity building, as well as robust enlightenment campaign. Through this approach, we can enhance community resilience, transform the region, and promote inclusive security, thereby reducing substance abuse and other vices.
What they call drug test kits. They call it drug integrity tests. Maybe you have been hearing about it. This is just what we are talking about. And what is it about? It's not about for us to punish. It's for us to do what? For every parent, for every organization to have effective information about the drug use in your organization or at home. But most parents are shying away from this. I don't want people to know that my daughter, my son is involved in drugs. But this is just what, why the chairperson brought this thing was because so that you have a first-hand information about your world at home.